Dua on sneezing.
Alhamdulillah.
All praise be to Allah. Reacting to the dua on sneezing.
Yarhamukallah.
May Allah have mercy on you. The sneezer's reply.
Yahdikumullah.
May Allah guide you.